Greetings. I've just arrived back from the Chasm Ecological Preserve. There's a photo of the smoke coming in to the chasm. The fire has expanded on the northwest flank as well as the northeast flank. This is an image from the Canadian Wildland Information System showing those hot spots, and they're leaping forward, and they've crossed the Bonaparte on the northwest side. This has put an evacuation order onto the village of Clinton. They're now ordered out. And I checked the Big Bar cam and saw two vehicles blocking traffic. I believe that's from the ministry or the RCMP. And I checked back at the TNRD map and see now that the chasm area is also under evacuation order. And you can see the extent of that order on the TNRD evacuation status map. Just jumping over to Windy, winds are coming from the southwest. That's favorable for the village of Clinton. That should push those hot spots back on themselves, at least the ones that have jumped over the Bonaparte River. If we look at the forecast, the crucial time is going to be tomorrow at about 9 a.m. and crews will have to hold that fire back for about 6 hours. Then winds hopefully should shift and come from the north for the next 2 days. Here's some photos. This is the park entrance. They've taken down the sign. The smoke you can see in the background is coming from the Bonaparte Valley. There's looking south down the chasm, and it's filling up with smoke. And then looking north up the chasm, you can see it's building a bit, but favorable winds push it out again. That was sunset last night on the 28th, and people are cutting the grass and making sure the fire hazard is down. A lot of dead wood has been bucked up and piled aside. There's a view of the smoke from the plateau. There's Big Bar and a panorama shot showing some of the haze over the Bonaparte. There's a close-up of one of those hot spots. And there's pulling back and looking from Big Bar at the northeast flank of the fire. There's another shot at the northeast flank. And there's the northwest flank, and that's in the Bonaparte Valley, and that's what's got people concerned. There is coming down the highway towards Clinton, and there's the northwest flank of the fire. And approaching that flank on Highway 97. So this is the section of the highway that's now closed. It's quite dramatic when you see it in front of you. Turning towards Clinton to the southwest, and we're starting to see the Bonaparte Valley where the firehead is. There's Mound Loon Lake Road, looking over the hills at the fire front. And this is what's got them concerned. If it comes over that hilltop, then it's into Clinton. And this is looking at the road to Cache Creek and some of the hillsides that have been burned. And I just want to thank the wildfire crews. It is brutal up there. The smoke is thick in the air. It's very hot. I measured 40 degrees Celsius at Lytton, and up on the fire side it was averaging about 38 degrees. And that's on some of those sun-baked hillsides. So to recap, Clinton is under evacuation order, Chasm under evacuation order. Highway 97 is closed between 70 Mile House and Loon Lake Road. So my thoughts are turning to the people of Clinton and Chasm, and I hope everything works out for them. And I hope that the wildlife in the area makes it okay. I'd also like to add that some of my favorite trees are up there, and I'll be thinking of them too.